You're looking at 10 years in prison if you smoke marijuana. And guess what you did? You weighed that and you said, 10 years in prison for smoking marijuana. I'm going to go with the marijuana.
A man facing up to 10 years in prison stood before the court. But instead of learning from his second chance, he made a decision that could cost him everything. What happened next shocked the entire courtroom.
2021 CR 7311, State of Texas versus Paul Zapata. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Alice Jackson.
Defense.
Angela Blake.
And are you Paul Castillo Zapata II? All right. Did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Are you the same Paul Castillo Zapata II who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2021 CR 7311 for the offense of assault, family choking, strangulation on January 25th, 2023 for a period of 6 years? Is that you? All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. We're proceeding on violation of condition number 2, the on or about 30th day of June 2023 in Bexar County, Texas. The defendant, Paul Castillo Zapata II, did then and there illegally use marijuana in violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True. And we are waiving the rest, Your Honor.
Any objections?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
May you repeat the question?
Right. Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2?
I don't want to lie, so.
All right. So you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2? I can't hear you. Is that a yes? All right. Is there a proposed agreement?
Yes, Your Honor. There's a proposed agreement to revoke and adjudicate. We're recommending that he be given 2 over 2, Your Honor, and that he also be added for inpatient treatment.
All right. And what are you requesting?
Your Honor, we're also requesting the same to revoke, adjudicate him guilty, sentence him to 2 years TDC, probated for 2 years, and that he attend treatment. He has a request for outpatient treatment, but I've discussed the case with him, Your Honor, and the situation was that he had been involved in outpatient treatment. He was unsuccessfully discharged from the outpatient treatment, and then I guess failed to appear at probation. We would just request again that the court give him treatment, and my client would also like to address the court.
All right. Do you want to raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right. You can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Paul Castillo Zapata II.
All right. What would you like to say to the court?
I was just gonna add to for the reset, is just to complete the class, which is RIM class.
No, that ship has sailed.
Okay.
All right. Do you want to start by telling the court why you are using marijuana, knowing that I could sentence you to prison for 10 years? Let's start there. Let's start why you are not participating in your outpatient treatment.
Transportation.
No, there's something called the VIA bus. I used to take the VIA bus, so there's no shame in taking the VIA bus. When I took it, I think it was maybe $1 or $2. I'm sure maybe it's gone up to $3. I don't know, but you can take the VIA bus. So transportation, that's no excuse. So why are you testing positive for marijuana?
I decided to smoke.
I'm sorry?
I decided to smoke.
Yeah. And who are you living with?
A friend.
All right. So what is marijuana coming to you? Do they do a DoorDash? How does that work?
It's in the area.
All right. So you were able to find your marijuana, but you can't go to probation. You can't do your.
The judge had heard every excuse, but one simple question exposed the truth. At that moment, the courtroom realized this case wasn't about bad luck. It was about choices.
Outpatient treatment. See, when things are important, you treat it like it's important. So obtaining your marijuana was very important to you.
It was not, but I did do that.
No, I mean, it was important because here's the thing. You're looking at 10 years in prison if you smoke marijuana. And guess what you did? You weighed that and you said, 10 years in prison for smoking marijuana. I'm going to go with the marijuana. That's what you did. And then not reporting for your outpatient treatment. Not reporting for my outpatient treatment and blaming it on not having transportation or 10 years in prison. Let me not report for outpatient treatment. So I'm going to give you a choice. You can either do 3 years at the prison, or either I'm going to keep you on deferred so the full range of punishment is available to the court, and you're going into inpatient treatment. There will be no outpatient treatment for you. And you're going to sit at the jail until they take you to inpatient treatment. So which do you prefer?
Inpatient.
All right. Court is going to deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to include probation. Do you think SATF is best for him or ISF?
Judge, recommendation is for Saturday.
All right. So that will be SATF. Do you have any children?
Not at the moment.
What do you mean not at the moment? What does that mean?
I'm not sure if the friend that I have is pregnant by me or not.
So when you say you're not sure if she's pregnant by you or not, is she currently pregnant and you just don't know if you're the father?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm going to order 100. Oh, there's already 240 hours of community service restitution that was previously ordered. I'm going to order parenting classes. And do we still have AIDS awareness course? All right. So here's the thing. The reason why I'm suggesting AIDS awareness course. It appears that you are engaging in activities with someone and you don't even know if you could be the father. You know, they have different STDs now, and people would always just think AIDS. Well, you know, that'll be with you forever. Herpes. Okay, that'll be with me forever, but they have treatment for it. Well, now they have something called super gonorrhea, and there is no treatment for super gonorrhea. You have super gonorrhea, it's like, good luck to you. We have no medication for you. It's resistant against the antibiotics that are now on the market. So you just be walking around with super gonorrhea until you dropped. Oh yeah, but you're not thinking straight. You're just out here having intimate activities with people and smoking marijuana. And now if this child is yours, they're going to have a father who has an assault, family choking, strangulation case and who sits around all day doing marijuana. You had better start making some changes. Probation, is there anything else he needs?
No, Judge, I do want to make you aware there is that AIDS awareness program.
All right, so we're going to do AIDS awareness, and there's going to be proof of employment. Within 30 days of release. When's the last time you worked?
The day I was arrested.
And what were you doing for employment?
I was working at the temp service. I was doing a construction cleanup.
All right. So there's employment within 30 days of release, no employment as a home health care provider with minors.
As the hearing came to an end, the judge delivered a message far more powerful than any punishment. It was a warning that could determine the defendant's future.
I'm going to want field visits 1 time per month for 4 months. And I'm going to want the UA hotline until further notice. Anything else, probation? Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Wow.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. From here on out, everything you do, you need to ask yourself, could this result in me potentially going to prison for 10 years? If the answer is yes, don't do it. If the answer is maybe, don't do it. This is Texas. According to probation guidelines, I didn't set these rules. The legislature set it. You are not allowed to smoke marijuana while you're on probation. You are not allowed to drink alcohol while you're on probation. You say, alcohol is legal, not while you're on probation. So if you're sitting at your house chilling, you are not to drink alcohol at your house, because if you test positive for alcohol, a motion to revoke is going to be filed. If you test positive for marijuana at your house, a motion to revoke is going to be filed. And these people that you are hanging around with who think it's okay for you to be using marijuana, you need to cut them loose. And you know why? Because they don't care about you. Because they cared about you, they would say, hey, man, you know, I know we usually sit back and smoke marijuana, but you're on probation. You're looking at 10 years. We shouldn't be doing this around you. We shouldn't tempt you. If they cared about you, that's what they'd be saying. But they don't. They're like, he's an adult. Here's some marijuana. You had better change. You understand? All right. Good luck to you. Just calling 2024 CR 5958, State of Texas versus Mario Alberto Resendez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Andrew Harrison.
Defense?
David McLean from Mario Resendez.
Are you Mr. Resendez? Counsel, have you received all of the discovery?
I have, Your Honor.
Did you review it with your client?
I did, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Resendez, did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor. The state would like to amend the indictment to change heroin to methamphetamine.
Judge, we have no objection to that.
All right. Mr. Resendez, you understand that's a substantive change to the indictment?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Do you still wish to continue? And defense, are you waiving your notice?
We are, Judge.
All right. Did you review court admonishments with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you're charged with possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1, less than 1 gram?
Yes, ma'am.
Is a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court does not follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Right.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
He has, Your Honor.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
I do, Your Honor.
Mr. Resendez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No, ma'am.
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain page with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea, punishments be assessed at 157 days in the Bexar County Jail under 1244. Did you understand that to be the agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the agreement?
It is, Your Honor.
State, is that the agreement?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you review the paragraph entitled waiver of appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, are there any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged under the amended indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Main exhibit 1 attachments, Your Honor.
Judge, we reviewed that. We have no objection.
All right, state you may be excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, have a great weekend. All right, Mr. Resendez, did you review the document entitled Waiving Consent to Stipulation of Testimony and Stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you sign it in all the appropriate?
Thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.